with Eddie and Vinny Cuz, but we have two Uber drivers and Lyft drivers trying to find their way out of ride sharing through day trading. All right, let's make this money. Let's watch the green line cross over the yellow line and make some money. At least for me, because Vinny don't do that.
Good
No,
morning,
you
good morning,
don't.
good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh man, what are we doing this morning, bro? What are we doing this
Well,
morning?
today is the 4th, and we have news at 10 a.m. So it's 9:28. So in 30 minutes,
30 minutes.
in 30 minutes Eastern and 9 a.m. Central. And then we're gonna watch what the market does. I'm gonna watch what the market does, and then once it starts moving, then I'm gonna make my decision based on that.
Uno momento. Uno momento. I see the market pumping again today. TQQQ is down. SQQQ is up. Tesla looks like it might run today.
Looks like
still
it.
holding. Nvidia is still holding like nobody's business, bro. I love it.
See, this is Tesla right now, and it's on this uptrend, and it looks like it's bouncing off it's bouncing off. It bounced pre-market right there. Bounced, and it's on its way up. I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna move it like right there. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna put it right there. Some resistance. This one I'm gonna put right there. All right. So it looks like if Tesla gets past this 198.21 to 198.51, it's got all this room all the way up to 202.69. It's some good stuff, bro.
Good stuff.
All right, chat. Oh, Wes is not in here yet. Wes is not in here yet.
I don't know what he's up to these days, my brother.
So, oh, that's my laptop. You can actually see my laptop. So technically, I have 4 screens. Oh, the market opened up. Ding, 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 ding.
Hold on. Yeah, the market's open, bro.
Okay, here we go. SPY. Started down. Let me do the previous day's high. Let me change this. Previous day's high. There we go, high. And then a low. What's going on? How come I don't see this? There it is. All right, now I got my high and low. Previous day's high and low. Right now it is. Ooh, it's coming down to hold on. SPY. Oh, look at that! It just passed yesterday's previous day's high.
What, SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, SPY's moving down though.
Correct. Yeah, it's on the right.
Oh man.
I'm just waiting for a big movement in between SPY and Tesla. And then I just play the pullback. And I found out with Matt Diamond that when he trades options, he gets out on the pullback. He gets out on the pullback and then gets back in because he loses a lot of value on the options.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Trading with live paper trading. Yeah, money. All right, so what do we have for news besides these news coming out at 10?
Not a whole lot. Just everything's doing what it's doing, man. Everything's all jacked up right now. Everything is jacked up right now.
According to Yahoo Finance, stock futures oil prices edge even higher. I have not seen a change in the pump, but it looks like I will sooner or later. Jamie Dimon says U.S. banking turmoil not over. Of course not. Credit Suisse chairman, I am truly sorry. For what? To a room full of shareholders that he was truly sorry the Swiss bank was not able to get back on track and at its final annual general meeting on Tuesday, according to a manuscript of his speech. He said, "I apologize that they were no longer able to stem the loss of the trust that had accumulated over the years, and for disappointing you." That's what he said. Polly want a cracker?
Yeah, right. Freaking Nvidia is running back down to 275. It's got a whole 275. Tesla is now pushing up into that $200 range. She'll be there soon. Keeping a little eye on SQQQ.
That's right. This is what they call. I was listening to Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, and he was just talking about that the stock they just printing more money, pumping that stock, but it's just gonna basically give and head right back down.
Yep.
He was talking about bonds and I do that. All I know is that they keep printing.
This is
But
true.
he was saying that they were trying to disguise it as the money printing as something else by selling something, but they were like overpaying for, I don't know what the hell it was, but he was like, in other words, it's just the same thing as printing more money.
Yeah. Well, that's what they do, dude. It's finances are not for us. Finances are for them. You know what I mean? Why would I be looking at a put on that?
Coffee. Oh, dude. See that? I forgot to do my video. I forgot to do my damn video.
Which video? What are you talking about?
Usually I do a video saying, let me see, I made $47. All right, now it is 8:36 a.m. and I'm taking a couple of hours break because I am trading. All right, let's keep making this money. Later. It's trading time. See, I'm recording myself.
You're recording yourself. Recording yourself.
That's right. I am recording myself. All right, let's do this. Let's grab my coffee. And my account is down to $121.92. And what we're gonna be doing today, we're just gonna be doing just one trade, an option at about $100 for the option. All right. I'm gonna take about my 5-10%. All right, possibly more. Get in, get out. I'm done.
I hear you talking. SPX. I am looking at SPX this morning.
I am debating right now in between SPY and Tesla.
Well, Tesla's already made a move up. Nvidia's made a move down. I'm looking to see what Nvidia's going to do at. I want to see what Nvidia is going to do when it gets to this 275. That is huge for Nvidia. It's a huge, man.
I don't know. See, I got Tesla right here. I got my SPY. Oh, SPY looks like it's just going to be coming down again. It's bouncing off my 200 EMA. I just need that big move, but that big move volume.
All right, so we're gonna. I think I'm gonna trade a little Nvidia today. Nvidia's got a nice move going here. We'll wait and see what it does once it bounces off this 275 level. Which options look good? That option looks really good. Let's add that to the watch list. And then we want to come over here and look down here. This option looks good. Nice put option. So that's where we're at. Get back over here. Make sure I'm in my 1 minute intervals. Hey, here's just a little something to keep your eye on. Tesla just dumped. Tesla's got to hold 194 or else it's going to go down a little bit.
Oh, let's see this. So I am looking at right now. Hold on.
We might get a broad market sell-off this morning because yesterday it ripped, dude. It really did rip yesterday.
All right. So this is.
It did rip yesterday. So.
Damn it! I'm so tired of this. All right. So this is my SPY right now. All right. SPY is moving. SPY is moving. All right, to the downside. Now I'm just waiting for that pullback to the 9 EMA and then a continuation to the downside.
Yeah, everything's coming down this morning right now. Early VIX is trying to creep up, but it's still way down.
Oh, so it's Tesla. Wow, Tesla really dunked, huh?
Yeah, buddy. Waiting to see what Nvidia does here at this 275 level. That'll dictate which way I go. I mean, not Tesla, Nvidia.
See, whatever I put on my paper trading account is gonna come up on my live paper trading account.
Yeah, unless you create a separate watch list where you can have a watch list just for paper trading. Just name it paper trading options or something. So I got my paper trading account open on one computer. I got my live money on the other.
Oh, but here's Tesla. Tesla's doing the pullback.
Well, Tesla's in a zone, so it's hitting another support area right now. 195.28. Sugars, Cocoa Puffs. Oh man, I got rid of my news network. I got to bring my news network back up. Hold on.
Let me see if I can get a 410 put here. 4. This is SPY. Oh, damn it. Oh, where the hell's my freaking options? Oh man.
This way I can listen to him, and we're here on the stream pretty good. So
All right, let's do this. Okay, this is my SPY option, 0 days. Let's do 6. Let's do like 50. There we go. All right, let me buy mine. Let me put up my $100 option somewhere around here. I just need a volume. There we go. Done. My volume and my open interest. There we go. So sweet. So sweet.
big down on Tesla.
I just need that pullback. I just need that pullback from SPY. Oh man, well Tesla's coming up to the trend line.
Tesla's already broke down. Now it's at the bottom end of the second demand zone.
Let me see. SPY is hitting the pre-market low.
We got data in 5 minutes, 10 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
I'm watching everything freaking flip down. The VIX is going up, but oil's coming down. Dollars holding steady. Everybody's anticipating data. Nvidia just hit 275, but we got a let's see how that this next candle holds up. I got 2 puts dialed up. Today might be a negative day, buddy. Might be a red day for peoples. Excuse me.
You think so?
Yep, I do. We'll see what happens. You know, the fake outs are real right now. The markets are all over the place, bro. You got to rely on your charts. You got to get your trend lines in there. You got to get your support resistance lines in there. And you got to know your buy zones right now, dude. Your supply and demand zones. You just got to know them. And then follow the market. You know, don't fight the trend of the market. Doesn't matter what it did yesterday. Today's a new day.
Open interest. Now save. 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 Now let's. All right, here comes my I don't know. I am not gonna play this SPY right now.
I wouldn't play anything right now.
I was thinking of playing the pullback, but I was like, I can't play the pullback because it's not
Well, I got Nvidia.
Well, correct. We got 3 minutes. The news. We need the news. We need the news. Oh, here's Tesla. Wow, Tesla is really going down, huh?
Yep. Well, now everything's at a pause, waiting on the news. Just
Elon
waiting on
Musk
data.
swelling. Elon Musk swelling inventories of unsold cars have Wall Street worried. I mean, you know that he can sell those cars at a discount and he still makes money out of them.
Oh yeah, they're the only profitable car company out there, dude. They are the only profitable car company out there.
Ah man, but Tesla is looking like a good up. I don't know about you, but I don't know if you see this, but in Tesla, when I go to my 30 minute, there is this trend line. See it?
Hold on.
One. Let's do it right like this.
There
There
it
we go.
is.
And it's right on it again. Here it barely made it. Touched here again. It touched here again. Look, it just one, two, three. And now with today, it just hit it again. And it's dojing right there on the 15 minute, 5 minute candle up. Oh, well, let's see.
So I'm in 2 Tesla contracts, 2 call options. I mean Nvidia.
Oh, I was gonna say. Okay, come on, Reggie, come on. Let me look at my indicators. The 15 minutes is right down there. Okay, yeah. 30 minutes hourly. Just gonna wait. Be patient.
There we go. We've got nobody watching today.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
All right. So I got 2 contracts at 220 apiece. Looking to get to 242 with a stop loss at, let's say, 210.
Previous days low. I'm gonna take this one right here. And I'm gonna change it to this. There we go. See if we can put Damon. No, diamond, the Matt Diamond effect. It's just gonna continue to the downside. What is this? Is this the spike? This is Tesla. And I kind of just slowed down right now.
Yep.
At this bottom right here, look at Tesla. Tesla came down to the 410 level, and then it came up, and it's hitting the 9 EMA, but
All right, I'm looking for Tesla to come back up to about 277.50. But we're gonna get once I break this 242, I'm taking one of these contracts for 10%, and then we'll ride with the other, or I'll stomp out at 200 on both contracts. Actually, you know what? Let's do this real quick. Let's sell this one at 242. All right, I got a sell order in for 242. Might be stomping out here soon. Good morning. Good morning.
good. There's somebody in here?
Yes.
Good. Let me see. Hold on. Let me make sure that I'm looking at the right time. 2, 3.
Futures are coming down pretty good.
I don't know. I'm not liking this.
Very quiet morning so far. We had your
So
initial
far,
pump. You had your initial pump. Tesla's starting to wrap. Is starting to roll back up a little bit. Watching the SPY contracts come up, holding steady on my Nvidia calls.
damn, I'm just damn trouble that I'm going through right here. Trying to play the my paper account right now on Tesla. It goes to pull back.
Don't forget, we got I'll be watching the news today at
Yep.
2:15 for the arraignment.
We're watching. Let's do this. Yeah, so whoever's watching, ride sharing money. Yeah, baby, we're putting ride sharing money on this so we can stop ride sharing and get into day trading. $500 a day keeps the job away.
All right. We got job openings.
Yep, 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the news.
The higher the number is bad news.
Where am I here?
I have no idea where you're at, my brother. I'm here trying to get this 242 out.
Add to watch list SPY.
Ugh.
All right, so I have my SPY, my put option. Just as long as they stay under 100, then I'll be good.
Everything's starting to roll back to the upside a little bit. Not much. We're not back up to opening numbers yet, but get ready for the news.
Damn, that Tesla, if I would have played the Tesla the way I predicted it, it would have been a nice play.
All right. Hold on a minute.
One more minute.
I'll tell you what the numbers are as soon as they release it. More job openings, they figure is going to be bad news. You might need to pop out of whatever you're in quick.
Well, I'm not in anything right now.
Well, I am. All right,
look at the SPY taking off.
Shh. Factory orders new is bad. They got less orders. Hold on. I'm getting the news.
SPY is taking off.
Bad news is good. Shh. Hold on. Okay. Job openings dropped from 10.8 million to 9.9 million. So that's good news. By the way, one contract sold out at 242, and I'm still holding one. And now I'm watching NVIDIA pop that coochie. Pop that coochie, baby. Pop.
Okay, here is Tesla.
Bonds. Oh, bonds slammed. The dollar slammed. Look for the market to go up. VIX is down. The dollar's down. TLT is firing off. SPY is ripping. There you go. There you go. Make your money. Bro, did you hear what McDonald's did yesterday?
McDonald's?
McDonald's.
What the hell did they do?
They fired like 7,500 corporate people.
Maybe that's why Sonics is doing really bad. The service is horrible.
Yeah, but McDonald's fired corporate people.
Ooh. Ooh.
So there you go. Andrew at your service. In the words of a wise man I know, let's make this money.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for I'm not in any trade. Well, I'm paper trading SPY right now. I was doing the call.
I think I'm going to take this contract out. I'm watching. You can see on the chart here, bro. I've got my VWAP. On the left chart is the actual stock, the asset. On the 1 minute, that's NVIDIA, and then my contracts are over here. Purple dotted line is where I'm in at. I've already sold one contract out for 10% profit, and now we're waiting to see what I want to do with this other one. This contract opened at 374 this morning, so we're gonna watch our charts on this one, and then off to the side in my live paper trading account, I took a really small. I've never played or I've never traded TQQQ and SQQQ. Last week I traded the Qs, and my problem last week is I let what I thought should happen overtake what was actually happening. Again, you got to let the market tell you what to do, bro. You're not going to bend the will of the market. It's not going to happen.
All right.
But I'm up on that. I'm up on that little contract. It was a little cheap ass contract this morning. I'm watching NVIDIA here, trying to roll back. This 278.07 would be the 61.8% retracement off of the move from opening this morning. You can see there. You can see the one contract I'm in now. I'm still up 25%, up $55 on that contract.
All right. Well, I am about to hold on. No. I need for the SPY to take off. Need for the SPY to take off.
Why do you need the SPY to take off? Why can't you just read what SPY is doing and play the trend?
No, because I needed to move. This way, my option as it's moving, it does the pullback, and then when it does the pullback, it should react when it gets to the 9 EMA. If it reacts to the 9 EMA, I usually see it right on the times and sells, and that's how I've been reacting lately.
Okay.
And because I'm 5-10% in like seconds.
Okay. Are you in a contract now?
No.
Then what I'm suggesting is take what the market is giving you, trade what the market is giving you, not necessarily, and you formulate your trade plan based on what the market's doing. If the market's just whipsawing back and forth, then you don't do anything. If the market's on a downtrend, but what I did was, and this is what I mean, this is what got me in trouble last week. I waited for the market to make its move. Okay, so NVIDIA opened up at 280.03, came all the way down to 274.89, right? Saw it bounce off this 275 area. Remember I said 275 was a huge support area for NVIDIA, okay? Watched it, it bounced off of it, waited, jumped into contracts, looking to play the retracement back. So this 278.07 is going to be critical for NVIDIA this morning. Right? For me right now, I'm playing what the market's giving me. And my plan is simple. 10%. That's my plan. 10%. Without giving it any of it back.
Well, my SPY is bouncing off this 410. It's like going back and forth in between yesterday's high. No, today. Yeah, yesterday's high. And I'm just waiting for it to choose a direction. Okay. I have another resistance point at about 412. So I'm assuming that if it starts taking off, 412, 413 is where I start taking profits. Okay, and or
go ahead.
My 5-10%, but which should give me my 5-10%. So,
well, all I'm saying is take what the market gives you. Don't try. You can't force. You can't force your game plan. You can't force your game plan onto the market. Okay, all right, so we got our pop up. We got our pop off the news. Everything now is just kind of chilled out a little bit. Yeah, the dollar dropped pretty good. The VIX was ripped up. Now it's come back down. TLT is up, but the 10-year is down. Everything's just kind of like in a sideways motion now.
411. Where's this? 411.92. Let me see what you got for. Oh, there we go. My nervousness is kicking in.
Why? Trade your plan, brother. Stick to your game plan.
Look
Keep
at
it
it. I just
logical.
felt it. Just felt it on my neck. Like my hair's
Keep
just
it
standing
loose.
up.
Keep it loose. Keep it loose. Keep it loose. Get up. Shake it out. Don't whip it out. Shake it out.
Oh yeah.
Somebody tell Eddie he needs a bra. His nipples are hard.
Let's do this.
Eddie's nipples are hard, y'all. Watch out. He's getting nervous.
I don't know. For some reason, I see Tesla bearish. As long as he stays under all my lines, I see it bearish.
Well, it hasn't retraced back up yet. I mean, it's obviously it's rolled a little bit, but
Correct.
I think
But
I'm
now,
gonna take.
if it starts going back up, then it's just gonna go.
All right, we got a little sideways action here. I'm taking this contract out. I'm gonna take my little profits in this contract and call it a day. Trying to get out at 253.
Damn, I wonder who that wise man is.
There it is. It's done. There it is. Up $55 today, so that should be 10%. 10% on that contract.
Come on, Reggie. Come on.
All right. So that's that. That's that. Nice 50. Hey, you know, I made $55 in 40 minutes. That's a good day. Trading. It's 10%. You know, is that a bad day?
Damn, 10%.
Yeah.
$50, 10%.
Yeah, the account was at
is up to-
500.
Yeah.
Account was at $5 or 500. Now I'm up $55. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I was worth 2 rides last night, you know. I only got 2 rides last night when I went out. I had 3, but 2 reservations, 1 rip and 2 reservations. All of a sudden Uber said reservations. I got a whole theory on reservations too, bro. Because I'm using 3 different drivers. Myself, Richie, and Omar. You know Omar. And I've been watching their reservations, my reservations, and what I've discovered is you're gonna have to watch the video.
This morning I was like, I had to leave my area and go straight into the city. I wasn't getting. I sat for an hour, for 36 minutes.
Wow.
I sat for 36 minutes without getting a call. The moment I left my area towards the city,
Bing,
boom,
bing,
I started getting things. Yeah.
Wow. So YouTube puts a 7-day ban on RSBN's channel the day before Trump is being arraigned.
Oh. Very odd, huh?
Craziness, isn't it?
Yeah, well, they got to stop doing that because all they're doing is they're giving them more power and they're just going to.
I'm not worried about it. I don't even want to.
Yeah.
I ain't even worried about it. I'm really not. All right. So my first trade this morning was successful. I could have hung in there. Obviously, this would have gone a little bit better. But you know, like I said, 10%, bro. Started the day with $500. I grew that account on one trade, $55. You know, and let's see. So each contract was $220, so that was $440. So technically, I could only trade another $60 today if I wanted to. That's it. Because options, you know, you got to let your cash settle. That's an overnight thing. So there you go.
Okay,
Done. $55. Ready to go to the beach.
For my spy. Get ready for my spy. It's moving.
Here, let's bring you up there, Hossy. People don't need to see mine right now. It's all about you, my brother. It's all about you, the Benjamins.
See, it starts to move, but it comes down, but nothing like drastic. But let me see. Maybe I can play the candle over candle, anticipating, but it's only one. I can only do one trade.
What's today's date? The 4th. Oh, this is a weekly. All right. So that little, I'm experimenting with the TQQQs and SQQQs options. I guess I could bring that up over here. I don't want to bring it up over here, but I could. I'm experimenting with that. So all right. For anybody interested in NVIDIA, see how this is getting ready to come back up into this area here? Right here. Let me do this real quick. Let me go to just a single. There, that makes it easier for people to see. So we had our high this morning up here at 280.03. The whole market came tumbling. NVIDIA ripped all the way back down to 274.89. It held this 275 support level, broke up. This is one of the reasons why I took this trade, because exactly what it did right here, a double bottom. Bang, bang. Right?
Bang, bang, bang.
It didn't angle. Bang, bang. So we jumped in the trade about right here on these wicks. Because remember, and now we're riding this trend line up. I got out, made my money, but this is we're already back, already surpassed the 261 level. Or this, damn it.
Well, Tesla
we're pushing
is
up.
really...
This line here is this on NVIDIA. This line right here, there's a 61.8 retracement off the higher day to lower day. So this zone here is where, if we're going to see something, we're going to see it in here. That's going to tell us what to do. But we hit my percentage. So once I hit my percentage, here, I'll put a little thing up here to see when it gets into that zone. But we hit my percentages. So I didn't care what it did after that. All I cared was making my percentage, make my money, stick to my game plan. Don't play games with it. Don't play games with it. Oh, my man, Wes. Hey, guys, sorry to disappear. Lost all my Monday. Lost all my what?
Say it again?
Oh, Wes, what happened, bro? Oh, Wes says he had a bad trading day yesterday. Won't be on for a while, where I didn't use no risk management at all and got wrecked. God damn it. Sorry to hear that, bro. We know what that feels like.
Uh-huh.
We're here for you. You can still stop by and say hello. We'll pull you back. We'll put you on the channel whenever you want. I'll send you the link right now. That's a learning experience for a lot of other people.
Yes, it is, which is what people don't talk about.
People never talk about their losses. They always talk about their wins. I don't trust anybody who won't own up to taking a loss.
There you go. Now we have
All right, let's throw you back up. You don't need to be seeing my chart.
Yep, I'm just keeping an eye right here on SPY.
Bro, I got to tell you, I just checked my temperatures and everything on my computer. It was definitely the Brave browser that was throwing my GPU in the high temp.
What is it with this Brave browser?
I don't know, bro. But ever since I'm restreaming on Google, no problems.
Was it like a DuckDuckGo type of browser, or like a Bing?
No, Brave browser is actually a crypto browser. but it runs a shit ton of ad blockers. And because it runs all the
Okay,
ad
I think
blockers,
that's why.
right? Because it runs all those. It's a great browser. As in general, it's an awesome browser until you try to stream, and then it's just
Okay,
too many. It's too many processes in there.
maybe we can start using ExpressVPN.
Why would I need to do that? I've got a VPN that comes with Norton. My
Oh,
antivirus has a VPN. I never
so,
use a VPN though. For what? What do I got to hide?
I don't know.
They already know all my shit. Listen, bro, they got all 10 fingers, all 10 toes. They got my DNA. They got all the facial recognition on me. By the way, NVIDIA's breaking back down. This is
So is
what I was saying.
Tesla.
See that? Breaking back down. This is the right here, this 277.45, whatever it is the 50% retracement. So now we'll wait and see what it does here. See how far we pull back. And if we make another push up, see what happens. That's why you got to have a game plan, bro. Let your setup come to you. Played the pull. I did your thing, Eddie. Think about it, bro. I
The
played the pullback.
pullback? Well,
Played the pullback.
I just need SPY to choose a direction. And then I'm going to wait for my pullback and then take it. That's just my trades are so much better. I mean, I do practice on my paper account.
Uh-huh.
Other strategies.
Well, I played the big pullback this morning. Played the big right here. We came down. I played the pullback, which people are like, well, it went up. Vinny, how's that a pullback? Well, this shit, and you'll see why it's a pullback. It moved back to the upside. It confirmed it. Big candle, held it, and zoop, and then we melted up. But now here's a big difference too, bro. This was a weekly options contract. This was not a daily zero date to expiration contract. This was a weekly contract. Weekly contracts, your premiums will hold up a little better as far as the movement, the price movement of the premiums versus a 0 day. The shorter the contract expiration, the faster those premiums move. So you can go bust real quick. So now it's pulling back again, right? It's coming back down. This was a pullback off the opening move, pullback. Now we're having a pullback here. So now we could legit, since we already know this zone here, I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this fib retracement area. Actually, I could put another one in here. The power of Fibonacci, bro, is it's underestimated. All right, so we'll change the color on this so everybody can see this. Let's go with the red. I don't like that color. Orange. So now we're coming over. I know it looks confusing. Actually, you know what? Let's make this, because I'm looking at it there. I want to change this color to something that's kind of, there you go. Make it a little thinner. So now you can see, I know it looks confusing on the internet, but it's not confusing to me. So this yellow fib is the overall high of day, low of day. Then this light blue fib, this was an uptrend. This is invalidated. We can get rid of that. The light blue one here is now the fib retracement off where it reversed down to where it hit. So now if I wanted to, I could play this back to the upside again. But this is going to let me know what's going on. So is this going to hold support there or not? Or is it going to break through and invalidate it? There it is. It's invalidated. Just that quick. Now it's gone. This is anticipating the move to see what it wants to do. So now this could legitimately run all the way back down to 275.
I don't know. I just took my trade right here. I am technically,
See where you at, buddy.
I'm technically break even.
Good morning, Rafi. What's going on, buddy?
Let it keep going. Okay, now no, doesn't matter what I do right now. I am on positive on my option
What do you mean? What are you
because
doing? You didn't say
I
what you
moved
were
my
doing.
stop.
Talk about it. What are we talking about?
No. Okay, so I took my option right here. See, it's pulling back on the. It came down to almost 410, which is under my right above my 200. Anyway, there we go. All right, so I took my trade 77, sold it at about 80 something. So it was about almost a 10% win. Hold on, let me see. It doesn't say. Let me go into my account.
Rafi, what's going on, buddy? How's life treating you out there?
8.8%. It was an 8% win on it. And how I did it was it was I have my line right here. It went past it. I mean, it truly like just blew right through it. And I was like, from here, I had space all the way down to the bottom. Here's my cross. It was just like, look, if it doesn't take off from here up,
Uh-huh.
you know, it's just gonna dump. I'm assuming the odds are.
Right.
And it just kept going down to the downside. Once it reached a resistance point right here, a support, sorry, so a support, it blew
Uh-huh.
right through it, and I just held on to it and took it down to the 200 because that's all I had. That was my next support was at the 200. So once it started like wicking, you can see it's like
Right.
wicking a little bit.
Uh-huh.
I was like, you know what, I'm out.
So you took your percentage. You stuck to your
Yeah,
game
I
plan.
took well, I got my 5% in like 3 seconds.
Okay.
And I just kept moving my stop.
Okay. That's
You
good.
know, so I it only lasted. I mean, I wasn't even in the trade like 30 seconds.
Okay.
So
Nope. That's good. Excellent. All right. Rafi says, working the day job as usual. Hey, bro, we all do it. We all do it. Eddie's out there in them streets. I was out there in them streets last night. I'm gonna be out in them streets again today.
you know,
Got
Rafi,
it. Got it.
the LLC video, I'm gonna keep it up for like 2 or 3 weeks before I take it off. But just watch it. I mean, it's just kind of like a step process and stuff. And then if you're really gonna take it seriously, and then just do it. Just do it. Talk to your CPA. It's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but if you really want to do something with it, then yeah, it's worth it, man. Just go for it.
100%. Richie Hustles is in the house. What's going on, Richie?
Richie.
Brother, how's business, man? How's things going, dude? Yeah, Rafi, you'll be able to find the video, and then one day this week I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna stick it on the Rideshare Garage YouTube channel, and it'll be there. For the next couple of weeks it'll be up, and then we're gonna move it to a members only type of deal. But we're giving everybody the opportunity. We're gonna be doing classes, man, more and more classes, dude, because I think that class went well. That live Sunday night went really good.
Yeah,
And
because a lot
I
of
think
people start dedicating themselves into ride sharing. They start making a lot of money, but then when taxes comes out,
they get their ass pounded.
yeah.
They get bent over like a fluffer at a photo shoot, video shoot. You know what a fluffer is, don't you, Eddie?
What is that when I don't
A
know.
fluffer.
I don't know. Vinny, what's a fluffer?
Come on, Eddie. You know what
What
a
are they?
fluffer is.
What do they fluff?
Come on, bro. You know, you know what a fluffer is.
I
Come
you
on,
got
I
me on the
saw it on
fluffer.
your resume. I saw it on your resume. Quit playing.
That I didn't. Listen, okay, I don't know who sent you my resume. Okay, because I
It
don't know
was
what
on.
position. I don't know what position the fluffer position is for, but
Richie says a little tough, but we working through it, taking one day at a time. Big dog, I
yeah,
hear you. I hear you, bro. I hear you. Today, my video I'm making today, bro. I hope people pay attention, bro. I hope they pay attention. Uh, yeah, yeah. I hope people are paying attention. All right, so we're getting a little bounce here. Um, again, fib retracements are huge, bro. Fib retracements are huge. We still haven't come back to lower day. So far, Nvidia is respecting that 275. So now let's get this fib out, right? So we played the uptick here. Now let's see what's going on here on this retracement, this little small move, right? Can we get back? Hold on, let me make that a little brighter for people. Can we get back to where's it going to be? It's going to be this zone here. This is the next zone that you're looking for off this retracement. So it fell just short here on this one off the big move today. But here's another little move. And this could have brought you 10%. You know, this could have brought you 10%. This bounce back up. There it is. But you know what happens in options, Eddie? This is the thing about option contracts. So off the big move this morning, right? I was able to make this really easy, right? This overall 10% I made this morning, that was easy.
uh
But
huh.
if you held it here, if you held into it, if I would have still been holding those contracts, maybe I don't make that 10%. Because the time from this uptick here to this drawback to the next uptick, I might have only made $45 if I held it in there. And all that anxiety is in there. You know how
Yeah,
you
well,
were
that's
saying,
why
I
it's a good
feel
thing I
I,
moved my stop.
but that's what I'm saying. Stick to the game plan. Keep it simple, stupid. And I'm not calling you stupid. I'm saying that's the acronym. Keep it simple, stupid.
Yeah,
Stick to your game
kiss.
plan.
Kiss.
Kiss.
I know what you meant. What are you trying to say?
I'm not, bro. I'm
I
not
know,
trying to say anything,
I know,
homie.
I know
You're
what you
my boy,
meant.
homie. You're my boy. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What you talking about, Willis?
Goddamn fluffer. All right. I'm glad someone's Andrew's like, I'm glad someone's making money. I'm doing my taxes in the background. Ouch. You an LLC or are you doing a Schedule C on your personal taxes, Andrew? And then Rafi's like, hey Eddie, I met this guy in San
Yeah,
Antonio airport that made
33
3360 in a
6.
week.
Yeah. Always ask. If you meet him, always ask how he does it. Okay? Because, that could be, ride sharing, but with private rides and all that stuff. And he only sticks to higher clientele, But I always ask, man. Every time somebody gives me those numbers, I always ask, hey, could you tell me how you did it? Um, because shit, I like to do it too. Damn it.
Oh,
Because
Andrew's doing the C word, bro. Well, I mean, you still get the standard deduction. You still get depreciation on the vehicle and standard deduction. I forget what is it, Lyle? 7,500 for a standard deduction, and then you'll get depreciation on the vehicle. That'll help ease up your personal taxes a little bit.
see, my
You know,
expenses are so high that I can't my deducted mileage. It's and my expenses is I just might as well just deduct expenses. I get a lot more deductions.
there you go. Some people can itemize. Some people can take the standard deduction. So look at this. Now we're going to see, are we going to punch through the retracement.
Where's that retracement at 411? Is that
We're looking
411?
we're looking to see if we're gonna now we got to break. We're looking for Nvidia to break 278.
Oh, that's Nvidia. Okay.
So we're waiting to see what happens there. I mean, we saw a nice bounce there. That was a nice bounce. Rafi said 3360 on the app, bro. He showed me the screenshot. I saw his quote promotion earnings was like at 380. So it's not all fares. Yeah, but promotions, bro, you got to put in
Yeah,
the
it
work to get
doesn't
the
matter. Yeah,
promotions.
correct. Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, 3360 is 3360.
Hey, yeah.
Doesn't matter how many hours you had to work to get that 3360. It's still 3360. Damn, that's a lot.
92 hours. 92 hours. That's a lot of sitting in that goddamn car, man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Woo! 92 hours. Jesus Christ. Hold on. I gotta see something here. That's 13 hours a day, bro.
Yeah.
13 hours a day, bro. Oh. I mean, I get it if you got to get that bread, bro. If you're in some situations or you're trying to grind out, but 13 hours a day in the car? That's like 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. before you get home. So that means you're up at 4, out the door
I'm
by
up.
5.
I'm up 3 o'clock. Hit the road by 5. That's why I've been getting really lazy in the morning. But I still wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to set all this up. So I'd rather be out 16 hours every day making money than sitting at home and watching Netflix.
So my son-in-law just texted me. He scalped SPX today. He's up $660 on the day. He played it well. And he's doing this while he's at work. He does it on his phone. Like, I can't do that, dude. But he's in and out really quick, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is the one that's made his bones while he was in college on Forex. So he's doing good. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him because my son-in-law. That means my daughter's getting taken care of. Oh, let's see. We got some questions here, Eddie. You want to do some questions?
Wait, hold on.
You always treat me like you're Robin. You always treat me like your side bitch over here.
All right, what's the question?
Well, hold on. Before you go there, look what just happened. It hit this 278, and now we have a red rejection candle here. You see that?
Yeah.
So now we got to wait to see what happens here. So we don't take a trade here. We need some kind of confirmation of which direction it wants to go. Because the previous daily, the daily retracement, right? The 278 and above puts us at the 61.8 retracement for the entire day. The day high to day low. So now we're going to see what happens here at 278. Patience, bro. Patience. Got to have freaking patience. Got to have zones. Got to have patience. All right, buddy. Come on. Read some questions.
Let me see.
You got to go
Oh yeah, the
to
hard work
13
is going
rounds.
to be negative. Yeah,
No.
yeah. Be negative. No, but this chiropractor is good.
What?
No, so I was reading Andrews.
Oh,
Yeah, you just gotta go. Yeah.
Okay, I got to do this. I got to do everything, Eddie. I'm going to start billing you out. I'm going to start billing you.
13 rounds of boxing. Who did 13 rounds of boxing?
That's his name, bro. How do I get started trading? I would like to start, but I only have $100 to start with. Bro, right now, I'll tell you right now, this is the best way to do it. And it ain't going to cost you no money because you got to learn how to trade. The first thing you're going to do Scan that QR
Download
code in the upper
Weeble.
left-hand corner and download TradingView. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. And then you can start following charts. You have to understand support resistance, trend lines. It's the easiest way. You're going to start with swing trading. Okay. This is the best way to do it. Take it from everybody that's ever traded a stock. Then, after you do the trading view, you can download Webull or whatever, whatever platform you think you might want to trade on. Webull, again, it costs you no money, and you can paper trade. You have to put in a good 6 months of paper trading. Now, you can take that 100, put that 100 on Webull, and just park it, and then maybe invest the $100 into something that you might feel comfortable with. But right now, you don't need any money to start trading.
Paper
You only
trade.
paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. It's the best way to do it, bro. Best way to do it. All right.
By the way, I'm trading
Richie
Tesla.
Hustles.
Well, I'm paper trading Tesla right now on a put, waiting for this break of 192.80. Wait, hold on. Let me put Tesla on this screen. There we go. Look at that. It's just the bouncing off the 9 EMA. I'm watching it break down. So once it breaks down, I'm gonna wait for the other red candle. All right, to the downside, and that's when I sell. Um, Again, I got a minute 42 seconds on this candle, so. But that was like, oh my god, look at that.
All right. So Richie was like, what hustle, what area was that grind? San Antonio. San Antonio. Richie. All right, let's see. Andrew says I'm genuinely impressed and applaud the hard work. So I'm not trying to be a negative Nancy, but he's chiropractor is going to get 400 of that. You ain't lying, bro. you ain't lying. Woo!
You know
My
what?
chiropractor.
I'm
Go
sorry. I'm
ahead.
sorry. I got my 14%. I'm gonna sell two of my 10 options. I mean, eight of
Two.
my 10 options.
Thank you.
Okay, and I'm gonna hold on to these two. Again, I'm pretending I have a.
No, you're not. What are you pretending?
So on my paper trading account, this is about a. It was about a $1,400 investment. So
1,400 investment, and
something
you're
like
already
that.
up. All right, and you're already up more than 10%. That's the way to do it, bro.
Correct.
Stick to your game plan. Stick to the damn game plan. Um, my chiropractor over here, dude, by me, it's $150 a month, and I can go get adjusted every day. That's pretty good. All right. So Richie's like, I just documented my first Uber and Lyft video this Sunday. I recorded it. Bro, is it up? Let me know if it's up, bro. I'll go watch it. Hell yeah.
Got down,
I'm
yeah.
going to your channel in a bit, Richie. Bro, we got to
That's
get with
right.
Richie Hustle. Bro, we got to get Richie on the live
Yeah,
stream, bro.
Richie makes
Richie,
money.
yeah, Richie's
Richie
bullshitting. I
makes
need
money.
Richie on
Yeah,
the live stream. We need Richie on the live stream Wednesday night. Just let him come in there and do his thing, bro.
what's going on here? Oh yeah, see, look, I was making my See, I have my T-shirts. The dream is free. The hustle sold separately.
Bro, that's not original.
Okay.
That's
Yep.
not original.
Anything works. Yeah.
I'm messing with you.
Yeah.
Listen, 13 rounds, bro. You can come through anytime you want. You can follow along with us, but we keep it simple, bro. Support resistance,
Tell
trend
me about your
lines.
video on your channel.
Hold on, I was just talking to 13 rounds, bro.
Yeah, send them to your channel.
Well, you can go to Basic Trading 101. There's a couple of small videos on there. If you go to Basic Trading 101, I've got a support resistance. Eddie likes my videos for some reason. There's a really basic tutorial on how to draw support resistance lines and also trend lines. And then we'll get a couple more videos up there shortly. But you can get a basic idea. Bro, that's it. That's the technique. Support resistance, trend lines. That's it. Oh, Richie's gonna blow us all out of the water with his Uber videos. I know it because he makes good videos, bro. Richie makes good videos.
Yeah, he does. He does. He does. I like it
He
when he gets into confrontations
Rich.
with the
I,
stores.
I I do have a question for Richie. Richie Hustles, are you still here, my brother? Bro, I got home last night. I almost pulled the trigger on that camera again. It's like it's in stock. The price is right. It's got the kit lens. It's a basic vlog camera. And then I'm saying to myself, but
So make a
what
decision:
do
the
I,
camera or
what
the
do I,
Tesla.
hey, bro, hush, hush. No, don't mention that. Seriously, don't mention that yet. I got a whole series dealing with that.
Let me see. Ooh, holy crap! Look at this.
Holy crap, look at what?
Okay,
What are you talking about, dude?
Hold on, let me pull it up. Can you see that?
No. Oh, get out of there, bro. Don't go to them used
Oh,
car dealerships for that.
2020 with 19,000 miles for 39. It's a long range.
You get them cheaper through Tesla. They're cheaper through Tesla right now. But let's not talk about that right now. That's a tease. Let it go. Let it go. Let it
Go.
go.
Let
Let
it
it go.
go.
See, this is why I got to keep my conversations to myself. But bro, I got so close last night. I had it in the cart to buy the damn camera. And then I was like, do I really need this camera? Do I really need this camera? What is this camera going to do for me that my GoPro and my S22 Ultra doesn't already do for me?
It's a good choice. Look at us. I saw my daughter today, and I forgot my GoPro. I forgot my GoPro.
But think about it. Think about it. What do you need the camera for if you're doing video recording, right? If you're recording video, what do you need that camera for? When you have a GoPro, so you can get your wide angle vlogging type shots, right? And you have a cell phone that the cameras are phenomenal in them.
Yeah,
What do I need a camera for? Why I got to spend that $800? Don't make sense.
I think you just want to spend the 800.
I don't. That's why I didn't pull the trigger. In this market, this economy, hell no. I ain't trying to spend no money. If there's no return on investment, I will not spend money on it.
You could, if you wanted to, start
Well,
a whatever money you make from certain videos. You could put that away towards the purchase of your camera.
but again, what's the point of the camera? I've
I
got
don't
two
know. See,
cameras that do
I
the
got the
same thing.
GoPro, so I want to grab my GoPro because I don't want to buy another one.
Well, which GoPro do you have? The 7, the 8, the 9?
I have to have the 7.
Okay. Well, I got the 8. Okay. And you can do Remember, I shot that one video a couple videos ago. I shot it all on the GoPro.
Uh-huh.
Everything was on the GoPro.
So I just
If
want
I
to put it to use.
so there's a guy you got to go watch, bro. Tesla driver. I got to remember his name. I got his videos. I'll send you the link later, bro. He is a beta tester for Tesla with the self driving stuff. He's also doing rideshare. I love his channel, bro.
Oh, he's
His
copying from me.
no, he's he gets all the updates, all the software updates first, and he does road testing for Tesla in the full driving modes.
You know how
So
many people I encouraged to use their Teslas to rideshare with?
okay, but he's above that.
Oh, I wouldn't
That's
be
what I'm trying to say.
surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if I wasn't the reason why um, Hertz bought all those Teslas. Be like, oh, look at
Oh,
this guy. He's doing it out there. And it's costing him nothing to fix the car. You know, it's no maintenance. I was like, oh, we can save a lot of money. I was like, let's do it. And then they bought the 100,000 Teslas. No, 50,000. 50,000. They bought another 50,000 later on.
well, they're not getting their use out of them. That's for sure.
Yeah, because they keep giving them to people that don't know how to drive them and they destroy them.
No, bro, it's not even that. With the rates right now on X, Uber X rates, bro. You
Well,
realize
I got a buddy of mine, and he's making about 500 with the Tesla rental. Okay, but remember, 3 grand goes to pay for the car.
if he's only making 500 and he's paying 3 grand, he's upside down $2,500. What's your point?
No, I'm talking about 500 a day.
Oh, he's rolling.
But he's rolling, but what I'm gonna assume is that is happening, as we always talked about, is that Tesla gives the good rides to the Tesla rentals just to make sure that these guys stay out on the road driving.
Well, I don't doubt that shit at all, bro. There's no transparency, but I don't doubt that at all.
Ooh, so
Look at this. Look at this, bro. It never broke. It never broke. It never got over 278. Remember I was talking about that zone? At 278 zone? It never broke above it. It rejected right off of it. So now when we look at the overall day, right? All it's doing, you had your breakdown. This was the only leg to really catch some money on, and now it's just going to coil. It's going to coil until it makes its decision. Probably won't. You'll probably see that decision about 20 minutes before Euro close, and then that's that. So today's a good morning to trade and be done.
I took my trade and then I was done.
Yeah,
I'm just
and
waiting
it's
for
1050,
Tesla.
bro.
That's right. I'm just waiting. Tesla. It looks like Tesla bottomed out right here, 192.27.
Oh shit, Jeff. Oh my god! Walking out of the office after speaking with my manager about my 9-cent raise and how much they
Wow.
appreciate my work. Target worker says he got a 0.5% raise. He's making $10 an hour, and he got a 9-cent raise. What the fuck, dude? That's insanity,
Yeah.
bro.
And I'm also always like,
That's
wow,
insanity.
that's like $2,000 more a year. I was like,
That's insanity. You know why Jeff threw that up there, right? Jeff put that in the group because if y'all don't know who Jeff is Uber Jeep AZ, who does have a viral video on Twitter right now. Probably will make its way to every place else. He's taking a shot at the 9% raise. That number 9, bro. 9 is a prime. No, it's not. 9. No, 9 is not a prime.
when they give you like a 30-cent raise, 30 cents.
Kiara still got everybody blocked. What the hell?
I don't know what happened to Kiki's.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to send her an email. See what's going on there.
Whoa.
Make sure she's okay. Anyway, All right, buddy. It's 10:53. I'm done trading for the day.
All right, so am I. So am I. I just made my one trade, made my 10% or 8%, and then I'm done. I just need to trade with a bigger account.
No, stop. Stop, bro.
That's what it is. I
Trade with
need to
what
put.
you got because you start putting
Okay,
that thought into people's head and they never get started.
so
You can
it's
trade from
just.
$100. You can trade from $50.
But I'm paper trading. See, I'm paper trading. Look, here I am. Here I am. I'm just waiting for this. This is Tesla, right? Tesla. Waiting for it to either break this level or turn around, go the other way, and I can catch it, go into. But then again, in my paper trading account, I'm practicing. But anyway, yeah, let's cut it. Let's cut it. We are done. What is Vinny doing? Vinny, who are you texting?
The text group, bro. You don't pay
Oh,
attention.
oh, yeah.
I
No,
love
I
you though.
don't.
You're my boy. You're my brother.
It's just it's a lot of things. A lot of things to keep up with.
I gotta make sure Key's all right,
Oh,
bro. I gotta send her an email today. All right. It is 10:54. We'll hang for 6 more minutes at 11 a.m. We're gonna clip the feed because we have done our thing today. And here we go. Can NVIDIA break 278.02 before we get off the
I'm
air?
I'm gonna give a shot here at Tesla on a call. Okay. Um,
I'm taking my aspirin.
I don't know. I just kind of see that it kind of, it's settled. What Vinny says, the rocket's taking off with the wicks. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude. I better be on the right. Yeah. So it was a $1,200 investment. Um, all right, let's see. There is my 5% right there. I'm gonna sell half. And I'm gonna hold it to the other ones break even. See the pop? I bought in anticipating, and the pop itself gave me my 5%.
There you go. Now, are you putting in automatic sells or are you hitting the trigger to sell?
No, I'm hitting the trigger to sell. Like I'm like
Okay.
staring. You know what? I'm gonna get out. I don't like it. Come on, sell, sell. There you go. So anyway, well, you know what? Let me bring up my paper account. See 227 for the day.
$227 for the day. That man has made some money. And you know what he didn't do today? Eddie, I'm proud of you, bro. You know what you didn't do today?
It's just obviously easy.
You didn't panic.
No. See, this is my paper trading account. Um, it's a 90. It's just when I reset it, it went to like 10,000. So I was like, you know what? Let me just leave it as it is, and I'm playing with 10 to no more than 20% of my account, because when I have my options in here and I'm waiting for my setup, options go up and down in price.
The
So
premiums, right?
they go up and down in price until you buy the option. But the thing is, when the option pulls back, it loses, like, the majority of the time, it loses all its value. All its value. So I like it when it's already taken off. When the stock, hold on, is this Tesla? Let me go to Tesla. It does this little move right here. I'm anticipating that it bottomed out on the previous day's high. Candle, wick. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm anticipating it bottomed out and it's gonna take off a little bit. So I bought my candle over candle, and it broke here. All right, volume was picking up, and just that little second of tick, I was up five. I think it was like 6, 7, 8% from the boom. So I sold half.
But see, that's what's
just
good.
just in this little move.
But that's what's good about, you can't do it paper trading, but in live trading, where you can put in your take profit stop loss
Yeah.
on a contract, and that way you don't have to think about it. And there's a way that you can buy the contract at the price you want it, instead of hitting that instant, let it fill. Then you deal with slippage and things of that nature, which is a whole nother ball game. But yes.
And if I don't know if you look at the what is this, the 5 minute?
I have no idea what chart you're on.
This is Tesla 5 minute, the low of the day, right here. What's it doing? It's consolidating.
Yep. Big consolidation there, bro.
The Mad Diamond.
Yep.
The Mad Diamond right here is consolidating. In other words, it's going to go up. It's going to come back down to the low of the day. It's going to consolidate before it just pops.
Pop, pop, pop.
So, and that's where I watch my volume.
Man, the power of Fibonacci is so strong, dude. And people just don't realize. People don't realize how the power of Fibonacci.
See, this is the extended.
But that's complicated. That's complicated shit. So, all right, it's 10:59. We are done for the day. I increased this account by 10% today, so I'm happy with that. You can see it right here, up $55 on a $500 account. I'm happy with my numbers. Eddie is up a few more dollars in scale, but he did about 8% today. So yes, the larger the account, the more the risk, the more the reward.
Correct. Started at 121 and it's 131. So,
all right, we are good to go. Listen, 2:15. We're going to hear the indictment. I doubt if I might be online. Eddie and I might be online if he's not going to work. We might be on the Griff Zone.
Oh yeah, I'm going to work today.
Live. Okay, well then we're not going to be on.
But we're going to watch. Well, at what time is it? At 2? I don't know. I'll see.
1:15.
Well, you can go live. You can go live with the indictment.
I can do whatever I want. I'm a free man.
You send me the link and I can jump in there.
I'm a free man. I'm a free man, bro. I can do whatever I like.
That's right.
I can do whatever I like.
And if people pick on you,
I ain't worrying about them picking on me.
They just make you more famous.
They messing with the wrong one. Messing with the wrong one. We good?
All right, cut it. Do the song thing. You better play this time.
Do the song thing. You're such a demanding person, bro. Anyway, y'all be good.
Peace. I don't hear no song.